Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This little gal was meowing outside my studio, so I thought, hey, let's introduce to you. This is Nala, and I only know that because of the color of the collar. We adopted her and her sister Nova. She has a pink collar on, and somebody's getting a little antsy. Say hello to YouTube land. Say hello. Yes, you are. You're so cute. We got the cats because my husband, we have a cat already, but he is an elder cat and he likes to mostly hang out to himself. My husband wanted cats. He's retired and he's home alone most of the day, so he wanted some companionship that would actually give him attention. And we lucked out that both her and her sister snuggle up to him all the time. She's getting very Nancy, but unfortunately I do not normally allow cats in my studio because there's so much yarn and stuff. So I am going to bring her back outside the studio. We're going to be listening to her meow forever. Right, I will be back. No, I've sadly had to kick Nala out. That was not easy to do. She wanted to come in here, so. But the reason why we're here, I said I wasn't going to do it anymore, but I did it anyway. I got more TEMU yarn. I had a gift card, so I just got more TEMU yarn. So first of all, I apologize for the crinkling, but I had a comment that somebody actually liked it, so maybe it's that ASMR thing about the crinkling of the plastic. So I got yarn that I know I liked. It is. I can't see through Fang. It's an acrylic yarn. I'm pretty sure, yeah. It says it's a size 5, but no. No, they're not a size 5. There's 5 on here, but no, they're a 4. Borderline high 3. But I was always a fan of this yarn, so I got more, and I got this. Should be 6. Did one fall out? I got 5. I thought they were 6 balls. I think one fell out. They are 100% acrylic, and it says the diameter is 2 millimeters. Oh, okay, I'm gonna be done. Got my falling off my lap. Pretty sure they're a 50-gram ball. Because it just says, it just says the ball size. It says 100% acrylic. And recommended metrics for US is, it says it's 4.5 millimeter. It's about a size G to 5.5 millimeters. So I'm in GH range, maybe I range, but I'll bet you they're 50 grams. Though I do have a scale sitting over here. Hold on. I still have the scale from Stash Down, which is hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft Bridget. And I still have the scale up here for when I was measuring all my projects. Yep, 50-gram balls. This says 59 grams, so about 50-gram ball. I wonder if they vary. No, they'll say 48 grams on my so they are about 50-gram balls. And I thought I had 6 of these. I'll bet you one of them, because right now I got 5, but I thought the bag had 6 in it. That only means one must have fell somewhere. Maybe not. Maybe there was only 5 in there. I could have sworn there were 6. So. Anyway, next thing I got is this package. I guess it's milk cotton yarn, plus it has goodies in it. So, I'll open it somewhere. Oh, I got it taped shut. We are gonna grab. Oh, I didn't see these. Look at all the stuff in the goodie. We'll get to the goodie bag in just a minute. But, hold on. can say these are all 50-gram balls because I just measured them. Okay, well the ounces I think is, it's usually a about 1.75. These is about 1.8 ounces. So yeah, this is pretty sure that's the size. We're gonna go 2 to 3, maybe even, I would say 2. They do feel soft. And I like the colors on all these. 100% acrylic. Oh, there it just said they got the weights on here. 50 grams or 1.76 ounces. These are 142 meters or 155 yards a piece. So here's a red and black one, which I like very much. Yeah, okay, I'll leave my lamp there, I don't care. I hate that I had my phone storage was full and it stopped recording. So I had left off with this one, which is pink, blue, and green ones. I'm gonna go through these. Okay. Well, I think actually this almost feels like the bamboo one I have, but they're not bamboo. I've had this color way before, the white, pink, yellow, and purple, like that one. See, some of these color schemes look familiar because they got the blue, white, and purple on that one. Ooh, it's like the yellow, predominantly yellow with some purple and orange. It's a pink one with red. And some orange and yellow. Actually, it's pink, mostly pink. It's the white one. Alright, the white one again. Some purple and some beachy colors. Yellow, orange, and brown. That one. $4 outside the door. I think I left something to play with. Hanging on the doorknob. Alright. Goodie bag. Open. Oh! Some things went flying. They're probably stitch markers. Alright, I have no clue where they went. Tell how messy this place is. So, oh, we have, looks like some, is it knitting needles? They look like knitting needles. Let's make sure they're not. Yep. Don't say what size these are. Oh, it says 11. So I got another size of knitting needles, and inside that is a needle. Other goodies in here. Another pair of scissors. Put these in somewhere. I'll probably put these in one of my purses or something. Scissors. Another double-ended crochet hook. Size they say. Oh, these are sizes I don't have. It's 1 and 2, so much finer. Because I got a bunch of 3 and 4. No, I got a 1 and 2 one. And oh, I got this. Says a little heart thing on the cord, and it says love on both sides. I don't know what I would use that for. Plastic. Can never have too many of these. This feels sturdy too for a plastic hook. Over there among the plastic. Oh. And another plastic, a smaller version of the plastic hook. Got so many plastic hooks now. set of, oh, it's got some Chinese on it. So another set is, I always seem to lose these two. You can never have too many of those either. And the rest are associated, probably some of the stuff that are on my floor already. Oh, we got one of those. Oh, don't lose that. Help thread the needle. Probably be using that more on the finer ones. Yeah, I like that. Should put that over. Oh, that might have been a bad idea. I couldn't get it up. Okay, okay, that's not gonna like that. And buttons. They look like plastic buttons. Yeah, a bunch of those, and of course, a bunch of stitch markers. Alright, that is what I got from TEMU this time around. Who knows when I'll buy from TEMU again. It could be a while, so just wanted to show you what I got from them. So, if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, especially if it involves cute little kittens, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.